About 1,000 people have paid their last respects to Singapore's former Chief Justice Yong Pung on the first day of his wake. Mr Yong died yesterday at the age of 93. He had been Chief Justice for 16 years and was known for making significant reforms to the court system. Cheryl Lin with more.
Lines started forming in the early evening as friends and colleagues of the late former Chief Justice Yong Pung came to pay their last respects. Among them were President Halimah Yacob, Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong, and a string of other senior political office holders, both past and present. Staff from the state courts and other organizations that Mr Yong helmed, such as the Monetary Authority of Singapore and OCBC Bank, also turned up in droves. Mr Yong served as Singapore's second Chief Justice from 1990 to 2006. During this time, he introduced numerous changes that helped to clear a backlog of over 2,000 cases in a matter of years.
He was appointed just a few months before I became PM, so he did a great job. I had, as Prime Minister, no problems whatsoever with the bench. I mean, he looked after the judiciary very, very well.
Every time he went to the United Kingdom, which was almost annually, he made it a point to visit British universities, to talk to outstanding law students there, to interest them in a career in the legal service and the judicial service. I thought it was quite amazing and wonderful for him to have shown so much dedication in trying to bring talent back.
He had a wonderful heart for the people who worked with him, and he really looked after them and nurtured their careers. And I think that's reflected in the sort of loyalty and support that those who worked with him have been giving to the family.
And Mr Yong is remembered not only for his professional achievements, but also his personality.
He had an unusual combination of intellectual acuity, the ability to make decisions, but also a very personable style, and remarkable memory for human detail, sometimes going back decades. The smallest details about the individuals he knew and met.
About 140 wreaths carrying messages of condolences filled the residence. The wake is set to continue till Sunday.